Oh, there's my bear to revive me.
She fancy, Lise. Catch a card first. Run.
Run.
Holy kashmikes.
Hey, card first.
I suppose you want mine first.
I'm recording this.
You want to see my bump on my toe?
Keep going, keep going.
Thanks, Billy Joe.
Hi, people say.
Welcome.
I know.
No, see, we were gonna get her.
Well, it's better than when my boss once said to me, "Hey, feel the bulge on my neck." No! I'm not feeling your bulge, ever.
My toe, my poor toe.
Say your turf toe on, Mom?
My turf toe. I hope Mike can fix it up.
Poor Milo.
Oh, who can fix it up?
Mike. Mike!
Oh, my Mike?
Yeah, you're Mike. He's also my Mike.
Okay.
So many comments, so little time.
What?
It belongs to the tribe.
Oh, does he?
Yeah.
What?
Who knows what he'll do to your toe?
Yeah. Well, I hope he fixes it.
might try some Indian witch
What?
work on it.
Little shaman
You want a drink,
going on
Brandon?
there.
I'm all good, thank you.
I think Marie wants a drink.
Do you want to see my gums too?
This is so going on YouTube. So going on YouTube.
You better not put it on YouTube. You have to have rights. I'll sue you.
Oh yeah, there's
I didn't
one.
sign anything saying it was okay.
However, I did inform you.
No, you didn't. You didn't say you're going to put my gum showing on there.
This is so bad.